Go.
How has the revolution of the tennis racket changed modern day tennis?
We talk about that all the time as pros. When you watch older tennis with wooden rackets, it seems like the ball is just going over so slowly and no one is really knocking themselves out. It seems that way. But now, with the evolution of the modern racket, everybody can hit so much harder and so much faster. And of course, the fitness of these athletes is remarkable. So that also adds to the development of the newer rackets. So I would probably say, Cece, that the, the difference between the wooden racket and the new rackets that we have today is actually making the players much stronger, making them place the ball much more accurate, and the play has just elevated so much because of the newer rackets.
Thank you.
You're welcome.